Okay, I think we start recording.
Yes.
So hello everyone, this is group number 2, and today we will present about the Treasure Hunter game development project. Firstly, is a company introduction and background. Can you move on slide number? Yeah. Uh, our legal company name is G2 Tech, representing group 2. The organization headquarters is at 7E 12th Street, New York. We have the mission and vision of applying most innovative technology to develop the world-leading product, including games and softwares. Our current main focus is to develop the game utilizing the AR technology. There are 3 reasons for us to develop this game. Firstly, is the spread of COVID-19 pandemic, which is growing trend of online service. Secondly, is to applying AR technology that can give the user experience to virtual world, but do not feel detached from the reality. And also the application for this format is increasing. Like the establishment of Pokemon Go is result in a 4% of sale boost on average for real life restaurant. Our game is web platform, but it can be played on iOS and Android mobile. And this can be purchased through App Store and Google Play. The games allow to use clues to find treasure located at location in the real world, similar to Pokemon Go. The map will utilize the Google Map database in each real location. Players can find different animation and treasure. The collectible items or coins are convertible to real-time product and service, maybe like coffee or clothes. The game will develop 2 different interface on vendors and players. Vendors are like the associate, restaurant, coffee, and the the vendors such as like restaurant, coffee. They are external, while players can be anyone. The game is international, and we're using English as the main languages. All region and country can access with single data center located in United States. To get access to the game, the user will have to sign on, a secure single sign-on connected with a phone number, email, Facebook, Google, or Apple's. The official website will have live chat, hotline, and email. We also try to provide a 24/7 customer support. Treasure Hunter will buy the Amazon service EC2 hosting, which have a capacity of serving 1,000 requests per second, and load balancers to distribute requests equally. The server will get a maintenance every 3 months, and clients will be notified. If the clients, either vendors or players would like to have support, they can use the live chat, emails, or call function on the website to contact the customer service center. All supports are solved within the headquarters to maintain customer satisfaction. The game focuses on securing the data for the organization and also clients. The company applies ISO 9001 procedures for data protection. We also hire Deloitte as our auditing firm for IT security. Users are highly protected while logging into the game with 2-factor authentication. Also, the internal and external data are protected with firewalls and IDS monitoring. And then let my partner continue the presentation.
So hi, this is Jonas. I'm going to talk about the cost proposal of this project. So there are two parts actually inside this cost proposal. One of the cost is actually a label cost, and the other part of the cost is actually the other cost. So in the label cost, we actually have cover the hiring cost in the project. So we're gonna hire about like 5 programmer and 5 designer, and we're gonna have a project manager, and we're gonna have some like support designer to actually support a project. And we're gonna also have a few tester, and we're gonna have some people to do the business development and also do the accounting. Yeah, also we need we also have an office manager and human resource advisor. So we actually written down the expect cost for all those label costs for every individual month, and we have a total number in a table we actually show in a PowerPoint. And could you move to the next page? Hey, could you? I do. Yeah. So we also have like the other cost. The other costs actually cover the direct cost and indirect cost. So in the direct cost, we're actually gonna have some costs for traveling. We're gonna have some costs for the transportation, and we're gonna have some costs for office staffers. And we're gonna have indirect cost, like for example, we're gonna have like the cost for the AWS cloud, utilities, and the snacks in the office, and also the rental cost. And we also list all these numbers in the table, and so you guys can see. Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about the cost proposal. Then gonna then Baochen gonna do the next part.
All right, so let's get on the experience and qualification. Our project will have 4 designers and web developer with 10 years of experience in mobile application to design and develop. In the implementation stage, the company will need another 4 experts to perform coding and testing. And finally, there are less people needed in the maintenance and updates stage as the application is built up and run smoothly. So basically it's going to be 4, and then only 3 at the end. And for our quality control, in each we divide it into 3 stages, and in each stage, company apply tight quality controlling. Like in firstly, we're gonna have our internal reviewing procedure for the initial designing and development. In implementation, engineers are regularly checked and examined by supervisor to ensure that we don't have any errors. The final stage will have a survey form and feedback from customer and employee to further improvement. And I will let my partner do the game content.
Okay, I will introduce the content of the game. Treasure Hunter is a large-scale real-world mobile phone gold rush game. User can find the treasure through code in the virtual panoramic world, and by complete test upgrade, the treasure can take many forms. And the game also open up a task system. Player can upgrade by complete the test in the system. Player get a reward for every test they complete, and each treasure has a price. Treasure with high value can also be divided into living and inanimate one. Living treasure can be trained and fit as pets. Treasure can be upgraded through training and betas. And the inanimate treasure can be collected or traded can be collected and traded through auction. Player can buy treasure through virtual game coins, and they can also get money by selling treasure. The game also open up a combat system. Left for treasure can fight, and the winner team can get a monetary reward. The game also has a team system under a friend system. Player can team up to complete the team task, and then the team can fight with the team, and the winner team can get a reward and upgrade. In the friend system, friend can track and chat with each other and give each one gift and gold coin at the same time. Let's talk about the specific plan. The first one is the development. Communicate with the technical team about the function requirement and the design requirement of the game. The technical team should minimize the hardware and software requirement required to run the game to be compatible with the phone in a various of environments. Purchase map data and copyright from a map and location service provider. Require a technical team to develop multiple language versions such as English, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish. Communicate with the technical team, set up the help function in the game, ask for help through SMS or phone, and set the customer service team to answer or reply to customer information, make sure player get help when they have a problem or concern. The second one is a third-party service. To reduce the initial investment cost of the platform, will use third-party network cloud services such as Amazon. Communicate with the Amazon technical team or other internet service provider. Submit our technical requirement and the game photo types and negotiate with the price of rental cloud service and survey. Ensure the low price possible and reduce the initial cost of the project. The third one is additional development. Develop game data management platform and customer management function. Communicate with the technical team and develop the additional software or game background management tool that can monitor the running data of the game and help the operating team analyze the game and make a further improvement. In addition, develop a customer management function through which customer can publish them business need such as treasure or advertising, and the operation team can communicate with the team through the background. The final one is delivery. Communicate with the technical team to ensure that the product requirement has been finished. Check whether all game function has been developed, and participate in product testing, giving suggestion for reversion. And the technical team will make a modification according to customer requirements. Invited some more user to participate in the test game, find the problem in the game, optimize it, and deliver the final version of the game after the test is complete. Finally, we are talking about the timeline. The overall development of the game start on September 10th and end on December 10th, which is 3 months. The server and the service development start on September 10th and end on October 10th. The development of the game data management platform and the customer management function start from November 10th to December 10th. Finally, the product testing, modification, and delivery began on December 10th and on January 10th. And this is the reference. Thank you for listening. Our project presentation have finished.
Okay.